half divided by half, half divided by half. So keep change division to multiplication sign, flip 2/1. That is, you need to change the position of numerator and denominator. Now multiply this fraction with this fraction, multiply the top number together and bottom number together, so you are getting this new fraction. You need to reduce this fraction, but multiply 2 1 times 2 2 2 times 1 2. To reduce this fraction, just divide numerator and denominator by a common factor. The common factor of these two number is 2, so divide this 2 by 2, this 2 by 2, so you are getting 1/1. 1/1 means 1. That is, your answer is 1. Actually, if you divide a fraction by the same fraction, you will get 1 as answer.